Hello everyone, welcome back to Royalty Soaps. My name is Katie Carson. I am the Duchess of Suds here at this channel, and today is the first video in the 2021 Secret Soap series.
But Katie, what is the Secret Soap series?
I'm new here and have no idea what the Secret Soap series is. Well, I will tell you. The Secret Soap series is a month-long collection in which I do not tell you anything I am doing with the soap. I don't tell you what it's inspired by. I don't tell you the fragrance that's in it. I don't tell you any of the colors. And you guys, the royal court, get to guess the theme. We have some sneaky sleuths out there that are really good at this. Somebody guessed it the first video last time, which was absolutely crazy, but it's been something that I have enjoyed doing with you guys for many years. It's always something everyone looks forward to, and this year may possibly be the best one yet. There are 6 soaps in this collection, so they will all be marked accordingly. You will see it in the title of the videos. I do recommend going in chronological order because some of the soaps typically are a little bit more revealing, and so if you don't want a spoiler, it's good to start at the beginning. At the end of all the soap making, there will be a puzzle where pieces get added with each video. So there's a little clue at the end of the puzzle. It gets added in. It was designed by Natalia. I will leave her link and artwork down below. She's a fantastic artist, and this is my second time working with her. I think that's about it. Let's make Secret Soap number 1. I'm very excited. This is going to be a little bit different from all of the other batches that you normally see me make in a year, of course, because I can't tell you what I'm putting in the soap. I can't tell you anything about it. Now, what I will tell you is that the recipe that I'm using both today and in all of the soaps this month is my regular recipe. I'm not changing the recipe, and I felt it was only fair to kind of let you guys know that up front. This is the Royalty Soaps Classic Bubble recipe. And if you would like to make soap using my recipe, you can. The recipe's in the description box below. Now I'm just gonna blend this up with my stick blender. My oils are a little bit warmer today, so everything is blending super easily. And now I'm going to split this batch into 3 equal parts. All right, let's start adding our colorants. So here is color number 1. Here is color number 2 with color number 1 added as well, and color number 3. I would love for you guys to guess down in the comments below what you think these 3 colors are. Also, due to the nature of Secret Sauce Fragrance Blend number 1, I am gonna add it to the soap before I mix it up. Well, this smells absolutely incredible. Okay, now I'm gonna blend them up. All right, and now I'm gonna pour these into our molds after this quick commercial break. All right, gonna go ahead and pour this first color in. I'm gonna pour a good amount. I am going to put a hanger swirl through this soap. I'm gonna go ahead, go down twice with these. Okay, so now with my hanger tool, I'm gonna go in and swirl it all around. All right, and now that the base is in the mold, I can mix up our soap frosting and we can get to piping. All right, so let's begin with some soap frosting and one of my more commonly used piping tips. You can probably guess what it is if you've ever seen a video by me before. Now, I thought this soap frosting was set up, and it's not often that soap gets the better of me, but I think it may have done it this time. All right, now it's time to add a little bit of this. And now it's time to add some of these on top. Of this type of embed, these are definitely the smallest ones I've ever used, and they are so cute. And now for some of these. This is a pretty embed heavy soap. I always think if I get 3 or 4 on there, we're doing a lot. And there's actually a final something I have to add to this soap after I get all the embeds in. I feel as though I may be running out of these embeds. Will I make it? We will see. No, I will not. Well, these bars are only going to have 1 flour on them, so that's just the way the cookie crumbles sometimes. Now I'm going to go get that final ingredient that will really make this soap pop. I added a final little something. Can you tell what it is? I also gave it a quick spritz with rubbing alcohol, and this is what the soap looks like now that it is completed. I absolutely love it. I can't wait to cut into it tomorrow. It smells so good, and I'll see you guys in 18 to 24 hours when we will go ahead and cut these loaves into bars after this quick commercial break. Out of all the soaps this month, I think I'm the most excited about cutting this one. Let's go ahead and turn it on its side. Ugh, it smells so good. I'm sure you guys could probably guess what it smells like, but I'm not gonna tell you because it's the Secret Soap series. So let me go ahead and just press down gently. Do have to be a little bit careful because of that secret thing I added on top that you guys can probably see. Now the fragrance oil for these particular bars do make them a little bit softer, so I'm going to be very gentle when I pull this out, and it needs to be exposed to the air as soon as possible because it's a little bit sticky, but this is what it looks like on the inside. Now, let me tell you, I'm sure you can see some spots that are not the same color. They will turn the right color over time as they sit and get exposed to the air, I promise. Oh my gosh, the smell is so good. I cannot get over it. Now, the only thing I may change in the future is less swirling. I like the swirls. I think it's fun, but you guys know me. I like big blocks of color, and this is a little bit much for my personal taste. Wow. Just wow. There is a specific piece of clothing on a certain app this reminds me of. I just love it. I hope you guys love it too. All right, guys, time to leave your guesses down below. I can't wait to see if this soap helps you guys out when it comes to figuring out the Secret Soap series or confuses you and completely turns all of your theories upside down. Well, thanks guys so much for watching. I'll be interested to see your guesses in the very first video. Now, if you want to follow me on TikTok, I will be posting both cut bar videos and also soap making videos for every single soap in this collection. That's like a total of 12 videos. They're a little bit shorter. You can get a little sweetened condensed version over there. I will be posting those TikTok videos over on Instagram as well if YouTube is not your primary platform. And yeah, be sure you do something fun for yourself today, like going out and I don't know, taking a bath with some bath salts. Maybe trying a new makeup look for fun. That's what I did today. I put on these gigantic lashes, and I have to tell you, I actually like them. They feel like little happy caterpillars. I don't really care what you do. Just be sure you do something fun for yourself, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So until then, bye for now. Meow.